Hello and welcome. In our last video, we went through this Delta Exchange trading platform. I showed you how to navigate the platform, and they offer several trading assets. So you can trade on crypto options, futures, and many more. So if you don't have an account, you can register. There's a link in the description below. This platform also offers a 30,000 trading bonus. So this trading bonus depends with the amount you deposit in the platform. In our last video, we made a trade on a future asset that was a Bitcoin USDT. I'll analyze that trade and see if we won the trade and how we can take another trade with our usual strategy of support and resistance. So let's go and analyze this trade that we took. In our last trade, we made a video and we traded on a future pair, which is the Bitcoin USDT pair. So we just used our usual strategy of support and resistance. On this pair, you can see there's a support level at this point. We have a downward trend line at that point. Then we have a level of support and resistance at that area. So from these areas, you can see the market reaction. This was the first reaction. The market went up, it came down, it went up, it came down, it went up, broke the level, then came back, again testing this level of support and resistance. It went more higher, it came down, it tried to break the area, but it was not possible. Again, it went more up, it came down, again it moved more up, it came down, tried to break the level, but it was not possible. Again it went more up, it came down, again we had another movement on the upward side, then finally it broke the level. So you can see this level was being tested several times. So the market was trying to break this area with no success, but eventually the level was broken and the market came to our support level. So from this support level, we saw another candle with a strong rejection from below. So this shows you that the level will at least hold once more. That's why I did a call option or a long position on this level, and my take profit level was on this strong SNR area. That was our take profit level. So as per now, the market touched our take profit level and we won the trade. So let's get to the market. I'll take a trade with the crypto option pair. Just click on options. Remember, our trade was on Bitcoin USDT, our last trade, and that's a future pair. So you can trade a future pair, a crypto option pair, so it will depend with what will you prefer. Just change to a chart so that I can see the market well. When you observe this market, it is ranging. At that point, let's just remove the indicators for us to see well. So the market is ranging in between that area. We can see a downward trend line. At that point, we have our support level there. So I'll sell with the 200 contracts. So that's like 0.2. So I'll use the market option, not a limit option. So I'll re-enter again. Then I click on advanced to set my stop loss and take profit levels. So our stop loss can be around let's see, around 1284 or 1284. That's our stop loss. We can put our take profit at around at this level. So we can use 638 as our take profit. So I click on set, then I sell. So you confirm your order. So our order is confirmed. So let's check on a bigger chart. So on this chart, as I've told you, we have a level here and we have another level at that point. So the market is ranging in between this level. So we expect another downward movement for the market to come and touch this support level. So this is our trade on options. In my next video, I'll analyze this trade and we see if we won this trade. And we'll take another trade. Then we can analyze with you together. So that's how I'll be doing this crypto option series. And I'll show you how to trade other different assets. And we have many strategies in this platform that you can use. I'll show you about the strategies they offer and how you can use them. So to let you know, currently the Delta Exchange platform is having an offer on options trading. So if you are trading on options, be it the Bitcoin, the Ethereum, the Binance, the XRP, the Solana coin, the Link, the Avax, and the Matic coin, you get an offer. When you trade with $100 on your first options trade, you get 10% cashback on the first premium paid on options. So you'll have a 10% cashback on your first premium. So this offer is running till the end of the month. So you can take advantage of it in your trading. One of the important things I want to talk about is the Delta coin. This Delta coin is like a reward token on Delta Exchange platform. Currently, the market price of a Delta coin is $0.29, and they have around 140 million in circulation. The market cap is around $41.15 million. So this coin uses an ERC network, and when you come to trade farming, here is how you are rewarded with the Delta coin. So an individual reward is equals to fee paid by a trader times the daily reward pool divided by the total fee paid by qualifying traders. So this Delta reward is paid daily to a trader by dividing the fee paid by the same trader on any given day with the total fee paid on the platform on that day. Then they multiply it by the total reward pool for that day. So we have their terms and condition here. As you can see, the reward will be in form of Delta dollars or Delta coin, which is the utility token of Delta Exchange. And the total reward pool for a day is fixed at around 100,000 Delta coins daily. And reward per trade will be capped at around 20% of the total reward pool for the day. So you can read all about the Delta coin, how to qualify, and how it is accessed. Here we have the frequently asked questions. You can also read about it. So when you trade in this Delta Exchange platform, you have an opportunity to earn the Delta coins, which you can also use in trading. So in my next video, I will analyze the crypto option trade that we've just taken on the Bitcoin pair so that you can understand how to trade with this platform well. If you have any question, you can just ask me in the comment section below. I'll be free to answer that. Till next time, see you.